This is the Stream Deck Mini Discord Edition, a Discord and Elgato collaboration that brings Wumpus right on your desk with a color Blurple. Hardware-wise, this is a Stream Deck Mini. 6 customizable LCD keys, USB connection, and the same Stream Deck software as the standard version. No stand, super portable for tight setups. The standout is style and instant setup. It ships with Discord's Blurple design, Wumpus icons, and pre-built profile for mute, deafen, soundboard, voice channels, screen share, and server switching. You can replicate this layout on any other Stream Deck, and of course, you can take it a step further by customizing it with whichever actions you like. So what's different? For one, you have the exclusive Blurple colorway, and secondly, you have preloaded Discord actions plus a free month of Nitro for eligible users. So what does it share with the Stream Deck Mini? It has a 6-key layout and LCD quality, full software access to plugins, folders, profiles for Discord, streaming, and games, and plug-and-play USB on Windows and macOS. The Discord edition of the Stream Deck Mini doesn't actually reinvent the Stream Deck Mini, it just adds Discord flair and skips setup time. Perfect if you want a tiny, vibe-matching companion for chats, streams, or anywhere where space is tight.